To get rid of bad smells in your fridge, start by turning it off and taking everything out of it. Then dissolve a half cup of baking soda in warm water and use the mixture to wipe down all the shelves, bins, and siding in the fridge. Once the inside of your fridge is clean, put everything back in it, along with a cup of vinegar, oats, or coffee grounds to absorb bad odors. Leave the cup in the fridge for a few days. To learn how to access and clean the drip tray that's below your fridge, keep reading.